Welcome to Academy Path. In this walkthrough, we'll take a deep dive into the dashboard, your central hub for tracking progress toward a successful Service Academy application. Whether you're a candidate, a parent, or a mentor, the dashboard brings together your academics, tasks, benchmarks, and recommendations into one clean, easy-to-navigate view. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the candidate name and the role you're currently viewing as. In this example, we're logged in as a mentor or parent. This ensures you're always seeing the correct perspective for the candidate you're supporting. On the right, you can switch candidates at any time, which is especially helpful for mentors who work with multiple students. Directly below, the dashboard displays two setup reminders. These encourage users to complete their profile so that the application countdown and personalized timeline can activate. Once required information is filled in, these reminders disappear, keeping the dashboard streamlined. Next is the academic profile section. This is where users can see their core academic metrics at a glance. In this example, both unweighted and weighted GPAs are already entered and marked as competitive. SAT and ACT scores can also be added here. Any missing areas show an Add Score option, so users can quickly update their information as new results come in. These academic indicators help users understand how they currently align with typical Academy standards. Below that, the Quick Actions panel provides fast navigation to the platform's most important tools. Users can add tasks, view benchmarks, manage extracurricular activities, track nomination progress, build a brag sheet for recommendation letters, or update their profile information. These shortcuts are designed to save time and reduce friction as users move through the application process. Further down, the dashboard presents a set of progress and status cards that serve as a quick pulse check. On the left, users see their overall task completion percentage. In the center, benchmark status shows whether Academy expectations are being met. In this example, all benchmarks are currently on track. The upcoming deadline card highlights the next key date on the user's personalized schedule, and the Target Academies card shows which academies the user is pursuing, along with their current competitiveness. The Achievements panel showcases completed milestones. Achievements like Profile Complete, Taskmaster, and Benchmark Expert unlock automatically as users make progress. These serve as both recognition and motivation, helping users visualize how far they've come. Continuing down, users reach one of the most powerful features of Academy Path: AI Insights and Recommendations. This section analyzes a user's status and highlights what needs attention. For example, the Focus Needed card notes that the user has not started their tasks. The green card indicates that all benchmarks are currently met, while the deadline reminder highlights the upcoming SAT date. Additional insights provide Academy-specific guidance, such as CFA deadlines or typical GPA and test score expectations. These help users plan their preparation with clarity and confidence. Below the insights, the official Academy benchmarks provide a detailed comparison between the user's current stats and typical ranges for each Service Academy. Each card includes average GPA, SAT, and ACT ranges, CFA expectations, and important upcoming deadlines for the candidate fitness assessment, nominations, and final applications. This makes it easy for users to evaluate their competitiveness across multiple academies in one place. The Performance Trends section tracks progress over time. In this example, task completion is still at 0%, so there's nothing displayed yet. But as users complete tasks and update milestones, this area fills with measurable progress data. Next, Academy Path automatically generates a next steps list. These are prioritized actions based on deadlines and AI analysis. Here, the platform recommends scheduling the SAT, which aligns with the upcoming deadline we saw earlier. And finally, the benchmark highlights section summarizes how the user compares to their target academies. Since benchmark information is still being developed in this example, this area is currently empty. As more data is added, it evolves into a clear snapshot of strengths and areas needing improvement. And that completes the Academy Path Dashboard Deep Dive. This section brings together academics, tasks, benchmarks, insights, and deadlines. giving users a complete real-time understanding of where they stand in the Academy application process. Thanks for joining me for this walkthrough. As you continue exploring Academy Path, the dashboard will always be your anchor point for tracking progress and staying on course.